Microsoft has expanded its Surface line with two new compact devices. We are talking about the Surface Laptop 13-inch, which has a Snapdragon X Plus processor with 8 cores, 16 GB of RAM, and a 13-inch screen with resolution of 1920 x 1280 60 Hz. This screen does not have support for HDR, so we are talking about a relatively simple panel. It includes two USB-C ports, 3.2, a USB port to 3.1, a headphone jack, but in this case, curiously, eliminate the port. The Surface Connect that was previously used to charge the laptop is no longer present. Now, charging will be done through a USB-C port. Additionally, the Windows Hello facial recognition feature has been removed. Instead, you will now find a fingerprint reader integrated into the power button. In terms of design, this device includes a fan, which is expected to assist in providing better and more consistent performance over time. Meanwhile, the 12-inch Surface Pro is also utilizing the same Snapdragon X Plus chip. However, in this instance, it comes equipped with a 12-inch LCD screen with a resolution of 2196 by 1464 pixels. However, in this particular case, it features a refresh rate of 90 Hz. For this Pro model, you will notice a fanless design, interestingly enough, and you'll also see a rounded chassis that adds to its modern aesthetics. It includes two USB ports, C32, and a 1P camera for video calls. Although in this instance, the keyboard will be sold separately since the concept is more like a tablet. Nonetheless, both computers are included in the Copilot PC program, and include AI features like recall, advanced search, and generative tools in Paint and the photo editor. The 13-inch Surface laptop will come in 256 or 512 GB options, starting at $899. Meanwhile, the 12-inch Surface Pro starts at $799 for the 256 GB version with a 512 GB option available, and this edition includes a keyboard. But remember that the prices here differ from those. In the US, you have the option to pre-order these computers at the Microsoft Store or Best Buy, with shipments beginning on May 20th, which happens to be my birthday. I'd love to hear your thoughts on these computers, especially in terms of their pricing.